What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be doing a little fishing and talking a couple stories of, what I'm using and what I prefer. Well, to get you the first part is sorry if you hear any other noises. There's a small little lane behind me. It's not too crazy, and there's also geese around me. But for the background story right now, we're at this little tiny retention pond, and since I've been here, I'm actually close to my house right now. I'm not even like half a mile away. But this pond's been here for a couple years, and I actually never fished it before, and I've always wondered if there's fish inside of it. So we're gonna be testing it to see if we can actually catch anything, or if this pond is just truly a retention pond, not, swarmed with any fish. Now, I have heard a story or two before that fish live here. No shit. Huh. Look at that, guys. I guess that answers the question, don't it? Come here, buddy. There it is. Struggled there for a minute. Sorry, guys. My jacket's over. But, fish number one. Nice. Thanks, buddy. Let's give her a little catch and release here. That's a nice sized bass. Oh, she's pregnant too. It is a girl. All right. Let's give her a quick silver. There she goes. Sorry, guys. My phone stopped recording at the moment. I don't know what happened, but as I was saying, or what I was going to tell you is, I've always used these. I don't know if you can see it here. I just got my phone in my shirt pocket, try to keep the wind out. These little 1/4 ounce shad baits. Really nice. The only bad thing is that the eyes will pop out, and sometimes the tail will kind of like swerve around and get hooked. So it swims weird. It doesn't really swim, but that's nice. That answers the question. And as I was trying to say is, I heard stories that there are fish here, and I've even heard that there is crappie in here. I doubt I'm going to catch a crappie, but at the same time, you never know. I'm trying not to get close to these geese right here, for one, so they don't squawk at me, and two, I know there's a couple little there's another. I got some eggs here, and they're nesting on them, so really nice. That's another good one right there. Pregnant as well. Really nice to see, guys. Really nice to see. At least that one came out easier. Let's give her a quick release. Love to watch it. Another nice one. Not too big, not too small. Give her there she goes. Love it. Gotta love it. Silly goose. I wish I could sometimes talk to these animals. Just tell them, I don't want your eggs. I don't know what you want from me, but I don't want anything from you. The best part is, it's like 3 sections you can do, you know? I can basically cast from about thirds of the way. So, you know, pick 3 spots, go and cast out a couple times in every spot, which way, and enjoy life. There's another one right there. Oh yeah. Come on. All right. There it is, right there. Come on. Stop flopping on me. Come on. Oh, that's a nice bass right there. Oh, that's a bass. That's awesome. Man. Let's get a little quick nice here. Big head, big fish. Yeah. Very nice. Give him the nice release. Oh. There it goes. Gracefully back into the water. Gotta love it. All right, guys. Well, as much as I wish I could fish, it was just a quick one. Definitely go to Walmart and check these little jigs out. Even though I've had multiple lose the eyes, and then the weight came out right where it's hooked onto. You can always put them back, and I just love them. That's all I can tell you. But hope you all have a nice day. Glad I could catch some for you. And until then, I'll see y'all next time.